एकदम बढ़िया. Hi guys. Hi
अच्छा,
everyone.
आपको थोड़ा सा कैमरा थोड़ा सा पीछे करना पड़ेगा cause I can't see your face properly.
Can you see now?
No, no, थोड़ा सा पीछे आना पड़ेगा. I can see your half face.
Why is it so? मुझे तो दोनों के faces पूरे दिख रहे हैं.
अच्छा, अब ठीक है. Now it's better. So, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. क्या हो रहा था? How's everything going?
Pretty good, yeah. Been relaxing, been chilling, then been shooting. So yeah, that's what's happening actually.
You're still shooting? I thought it's over.
Yeah, the show is over, but I am shooting for my next project now.
Oh wow.
Yes.
So हम आपको कहाँ देख सकते हैं next? Are you gonna
Uh,
reveal it or it's just a surprise?
it it was supposed to be a surprise, but news and media, they're pretty तेज होते हैं बड़े. So इन्होंने निकाल ही दी है खबर, and so a lot of people know by now, but I really want to announce it officially some other day. But right now, I can just tell you that yes, I am shooting for something, and it's gonna be out soon.
Oh wow, that's great. But let me tell you, Aditi, यहाँ पे कलीरे, यहाँ पे ये जादू है जिन का सबने देखा है and everybody enjoyed it and
Oh,
everybody loved it. And
thank
मुझे
you.
ये पूछना है कि do you remember your first break? How did you get your first break in
Yes,
कलीरे?
yes, of course, of course. That was like one of my favorite memories, honestly, because I was doing these YouTube videos in Delhi, and I was just a
Okay.
simple girl there. YouTube became was starting to come up and becoming famous
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
yeah.
So I did this audition for this show Kalire, and I changed the script. I changed the whole script, and I don't know how it just worked and it clicked by God's blessings. And I was selected there, and then they called me to Bombay, and we did these mock shoots and look tests and everything, and then I started shooting.
Wow.
It happened
So
like
was that
in
easy or it was just like, you were waiting for that
no,
call or something like that?
yeah, I was waiting for that call, and in fact, some other call got selected for it. But then I was very upset, and I was like, okay, nahi hone wala. And I was in Delhi, and I was like, there's no use of going to Bombay now. It's not gonna happen and all. But eventually, like I remember 21st October, they called me, and 2017, and they called me up in the evening, and I had really high fever, and I was very upset and depressed because I had asked my parents that just give me 1 year, let me pursue my dreams and do what I really want to, and then if nothing happens, I'll do what you will tell me. If you want me to do a job, I'll do a job. If you want me to marry, I'll do whatever you guys say. But just give me 1 year to, pursue my dreams and work for them. And by God's grace, I got a call and they were like, come to Bombay tomorrow. And I was like, I cannot come again and again. Just tell me what is final. And they were like, no, ma'am, you're finalized as the lead of our show coming on Zee TV. So just come tomorrow. So I took the first flight to Bombay from Delhi and I came here.
So अभी आपने खुद बताया कि you told your parents कि मुझे 1 साल चाहिए.
जी
So
जी.
वो आपको like what they want you to do at that time.
So I was doing journalism and mass communication. So any which way I wanted to come into media and in front of people because I really like being on camera and doing things for people. So I thought either I'll become an anchor or like back then a lot of people were that VJs and
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There was
MTV
a time
and
craze of
yeah, there
VJs
was
and everything.
yeah, right. So I thought I'll do that. Otherwise, I'll just go ahead with the RJing or something like that, maybe news anchoring or something. But I really wanted to be in media industry, and Mama Papa were okay with it. They were happy, and they just wanted me to work and not be sitting at home and do nothing. So I
Yeah.
started, like, I didn't start, but my friend started this YouTube channel, Rishsam, and I started working with him as an actor. And we both used to write our scripts, and he used to write the script, and we both used to act, and it was
You
super
used to
fun.
write your own script?
Yeah, yeah. When I used to do YouTube and
Wow.
all, then we used to write our own dialogues and add puns in it. So it was pretty cool time, yeah. I was in college for second year, I guess. when I started doing it. And during third year, we became really popular in North, like, Delhi side and everything. So it was pretty cool.
So आपको जब what was your reaction जब आपको पता चला कि okay Arjun is your co-star, your first co-star?
Yeah, I never followed TV industry, honestly. All I knew was about Sushant Singh Rajput and Sharad Kelkar, the
Okay,
only two guys I knew
okay.
from TV. So I had no clue about Arjit or anybody, in fact. I had no clue about anyone. I was not a TV person. All I used to watch was animated cartoons and all. So I never really was into TV and everything. So I never watched his
Oh,
work. But then when I Googled him, I really thought, yeah, he's a hot human. Like, yeah, he's hot. That's what I
yeah,
thought when
he
I
is.
saw him on Google. And when I met him, he was really sweet. Yeah.
So which set life you miss the most? Kalire or ये जादू है जिनका?
Yeah. The tough one. I knew that would come. Honestly, I
Because
just,
I was getting since I announced that I'm going live with Aditi, I was getting like so many DMs, like so many. My DM was flooded with messages. Ke ask her this, ask her that. I was like, okay,
oh,
that's not
that's so
possible, but I'm gonna try my best.
so sweet. I know people really do wonder कि किसको ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं सेट पे मतलब क्या है कौन सा शो से ज्यादा लगाव था and all. But then at the same time, I really think both the shows were different, and for me, both matters a lot. Like Kalire was my first show, and first show is always super special. But
Always
at the
special.
same time,
Yeah.
ये जादू है जिनका has been amazing on a next level, on a different level, and I really think I don't even know if any other show or I really hope things work in the best way, but at the same time, I think ये जादू है जिनका was super special. Both of the shows were really nice. I cannot compare them because
ये जादू है
Kalire
जिनका
was
तो सिर्फ
first.
स्पेशली ना मुझे वो प्रिंसेस वाली वाइब्स आती थी दैट
Yeah, it
डिज्नीलैंड
was.
प्रिंसेस एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ वाइब्स सो इट वाज सो
Yeah.
लाइक मतलब बहुत ही मजा आता था देख के लाइक आफ्टर प्रॉपर वो सास बहू डेली सोप्स देख देख के ना इट वाज समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट एंड वेरी एंगेजिंग एंड ऑल सो उसके
Even
भी
I
मुझे
loved
बेसिकली काफी
shooting for it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It was super fun to
एंड
shoot
लेट मी
as
टेल यू
well.
योर मोस्ट ऑफ
क्योंकि
द फैंस वो सब हैं भी टीनेजर्स जो
right.
अट्रैक्ट होते हैं ऐसी स्टोरीज से
Oh,
so this is so
I know.
cute and सो अब लाइक कौन सा ऐसा लाइक कभी ऐसा लाइक कौन सा ऐसा कैरेक्टर है या कौन सा ऐसा ड्रामा है यू ऑलवेज वांटेड लाइक कि काश ये मेरे पास होता काश मैं ये प्ले करती आई
Yeah,
वांटेड टू प्ले
I
दिस
think कि जो होता है और जो आता है आपकी लाइफ में वो इवेंचुअली अच्छा ही होता है. So ऐसा कुछ ऐसे पर्टिकुलर नहीं है यार कि ये होता तो मैं.
व्हाट काइंड
I
ऑफ अ
think जो
कैरेक्टर
मैंने
यू वांट टू
किया
प्ले
है
नेक्स्ट
what I'm playing is very different from what I've played before क्योंकि मीरा और रोशनी जो मेरे कैरेक्टर्स थे दोनों ही कहीं ना कहीं बहुत चुलबुले and बहुत बातें करने वाले
या
थे बहुत
बबली एंड ऑल
एक्सप्रेसिव थे. बट अब जो मैं रोल कर रही
एग्जैक्टली
हूँ फिलहाल वो मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग है इंटरेस्टिंग है because it's gonna be very different from what I've played before. So she's more like quiet type, more internal, and the pain is inside, and not super expressive, not so loud. So it's gonna be really different for my viewers to watch me act as Kajal. The name of the character is Kajal. So it's
ओके
gonna be really different and interesting at the same time because they're not gonna see me as Meera or Roshni or Aditi. There's no chilbili side or the fun zone and everything. So it's gonna be different and challenging, and I'm really enjoying playing it.
सो व्हाट यू मिस द मोस्ट अबाउट ये जादू है जिनका
I miss the set. I miss the people the most. I miss doing stunts there. I think everything, and from everyone to everyone, from my co-actors to my crew to my, set पे जो spot dadas होते हैं to everyone. Like the set had this amazing vibe. मतलब when I say it, I genuinely mean it because the vibe was so good, so positive. People were so nice, and
And I was
you
looking
know,
at your stories आपका जो लास्ट डे था शूट के ऊपर which was
yeah.
very emotional I guess
Yeah, I was crying so much. I cried so much.
अटैचमेंट हो जाती है ना इतना अरसा एक सेट पे जाना लोगों से
Yes,
एक तरह के लोगों से मिलना है फैमिली से फील होने लग जाता है इवन like all
exactly.
the workplaces even if you go to the office same day for 2-3 years you make friends over there, attachment हो
right,
जाती है, and then
right.
something like that. So are you still in touch with all your co-stars from Kalira and Jadoo
या
and Jhanka?
कलीरे के ज्यादा लोगों से टच में नहीं हूँ. आई ट्राई टू स्टे इन टच, बट सब अपनी अपनी लाइफ में इतने बिजी हो जाते हैं कि कोई टाइम नहीं देता. बट एट द सेम टाइम मैं जादू के सारे लोगों से अभी फिलहाल टच में हूँ. एंड आई कीप कॉलिंग एंड मैसेजिंग एवरीवन, बिकॉज जादू फैमिली वाज लिटरली जादुई फैमिली है कि लिटरल फैमिली, बिकॉज हम लोग सब लंच इकट्ठे करते थे, हम लोग पार्टीज भी करते थे, घूमने जाना, ये सब कुछ. तो आई थिंक आई हैव अ वेरी डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ इमोशनल कनेक्शन विद पीपल फ्रॉम ये जादू है जिनका.
So अदिति, कभी ऐसा होता है क्योंकि अब आपको ऑलमोस्ट 4 to 5 years हो गया इस इंडस्ट्री में, राइट? यू मेक
3
फ्रेंड्स एंड
years.
एवरीथिंग. 3 years, या 3 years, तो आपको आप इंडस्ट्री में आपके फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं, बट एट द
Right.
सेम पॉइंट ऑफ द टाइम आपके वो एक कंपैरिजन भी होता है, यू नो सब अक्सर फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी होता है. सो कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि योर फ्रेंड्स और फिर वो चीज आ जाती है बीच में ना चाहते हुए भी, समटाइम्स इट्स
नहीं
हैपन,
यार,
और लाइक
टचवुड.
समथिंग लाइक दैट?
ऑनेस्टली जितना हम बाहर से इंडस्ट्री को देखते हैं ना, हमें लगता है अरे ये लोग ऐसे, ये लोग वैसे, या ऐसे होता है. बिकॉज आई हैव बीन एन आउटसाइडर, नॉट लाइक
या
born and brought
एग्जैक्टली.
up in a industry thing. I'm not a child artist, but what I have observed and seen is industry बहुत प्यारी है यार. People are really nice and people are real. ऐसा कुछ मैं जितने लोगों से टच मिली हूँ, आई थिंक माई वाइब अट्रैक्ट्स माई ट्राइब. तो मैं जितने लोगों से मिली हूँ सब बहुत प्यारे हैं. देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन और कुछ भी नहीं. लाइक आई एम फ्रेंड्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर लाइक डूइंग रियली वेल, एंड आई विश देम ऑल द लक एंड ऑल द ब्लेसिंग्स कि वो आगे भी बहुत अच्छा करे. एंड आई थिंक सपोर्ट करता है कोई इंसान दूसरे को, अपना आप अगर पॉजिटिव हो ना, तो आई थिंक यूजुअली मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम 90% ऑफ टाइम लोग और आपकी अराउंड सराउंडिंग्स जो है आपके अराउंड सब पॉजिटिव ही रहते हैं. So I think I always push people up, and I try to lift people up. I never bring them down or do anything bad to them. तो I hope कि कोई भी ऐसा नहीं करेगा. And नहीं होता यार, I don't think so ऐसा होता है.
क्योंकि मुझे होता है ना, क्योंकि इवन क्या अगर टीवी इंडस्ट्री ना भी हो, कुछ और भी हो, किसी
Right.
आप किसी और करियर में भी होते हैं, आप फ्रेंड्स बन
Comparison
जाते हैं,
तो
लेकिन फिर कंपटीशन और
पता है
कंपैरिजन होते
लोग
हैं.
नहीं करते, हम लोग नहीं करते, दुनिया करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल
एग्जैक्टली.
मैं इधर बैठ के ना जज करी होंगी कि दीपिका ज्यादा अच्छा करी है या ये. दीपिका और कोई और जज नहीं कर रहा होगा अपने आप को कि वो बेटर करी है या हम. तो इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो इट्स जस्ट दैट आई थिंक हम लोग नहीं सोचते उतना कि कौन बेटर कर रहा है या क्या है. जो फ्रेंड्स है स्पेशली, बाकी अननोन लोगों से तो आप कंपेयर क्यों ही करोगे. आई थिंक आपको अपना प्रोग्रेस देखना चाहिए. ये चीज मैं लाइफ में सीख रही हूँ और सीखी है कि आपको अपना प्रोग्रेस देखना चाहिए, आपको अपने हिसाब से बढ़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि सबकी लाइफ अलग है, सबकी जर्नी अलग है, सब अलग जगहों से आए हैं, सबकी अपनी अपनी कहानी है. तो
बिल्कुल.
मैं जो प्रोग्रेस कर रही हूँ, जहाँ मैं पहुंची हूँ, जरूरी नहीं है कि कोई और हो सकता है कि उन्होंने मुझसे पहले स्टार्ट किया हो और वो मुझसे ज्यादा फेमस हो, या हो सकता है जिन्होंने मेरी बाद स्टार्ट किया हो वो मुझसे ज्यादा फेमस हो. तो सबकी अपनी जर्नी है यार, इसमें आप कंपेयर कर ही नहीं सकते हो कि नहीं, किसी भी दो लोगों को.
एग्जैक्टली. अच्छा, तो इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, यू फ्रॉम दिल्ली, राइट?
Yes, I am from
सो
Delhi.
जब आप मुंबई शिफ्ट हुए, did you came alone, or how was कि कैसे एडजस्ट किया and everything, was it
Yeah, my
difficult?
mother has been a super supportive. My parents, my brother, like my whole family has been super supportive about it. तो मेरी मम्मा स्टार्टिंग में मेरे साथ आई थी 5-6 months के लिए. मम्मा और मैं अकेले ही रहे थे. But then I was like, I don't want to stay without my papa and my bhai as well. So वो दोनों भी आ गए थे. So now I stay with my whole family. And in fact जब मम्मा पापा को या भाई को दिल्ली जाना होता है, so my nani ji comes over and takes care of me, or
Oh,
stay with me.
how
So
sweet. Like super supportive family, huh?
yeah, that's good. They've been very, very, very supportive.
So अदिति, अब क्योंकि अब वेब सीरीज का मतलब मोस्टली लोग, देयर बहुत
जी
बड़ी ऑडियंस है वेब सीरीज की भी, ठीक है?
जी जी
सो
जी.
डू यू वांट टू प्ले सम काइंड ऑफ वेब सीरीज, और
I
व्हाट
am
काइंड
doing
ऑफ
a web
इफ?
series only. जो मैं आपको बता रही थी, जो मैं एक नया कुछ करने वाली हूँ. So it's a web series only. It's not TV now.
ओके.
Yeah, so I
Oh,
wanted
now
to
that's
enter into
different.
web series. Yeah, I really wanted to enter into web space and OTT.
या cause उनकी काफी
So,
अब बहुत ऑडियंस बढ़ रही है डे बाय डे
जी,
वेब सीरीज की इवन के
yes.
जो हमारे बड़े भी हैं now they are switching towards web
Yeah,
series
yeah, yeah.
instead
From
of they are
movies,
watching
people are
Netflix and
working.
all the time
Right,
they're just
right,
switching it from the TV वो जो एक था ना proper my
right.
generation यहाँ सब बड़े बस they used to switch to the TV but now it's not like that everybody even our मतलब मेरे parents भी they are always on like Netflix or YouTube they're watching series or dramas like that so yeah they
So
enjoy
true.
that
Right,
more I guess now.
right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's time for web series now.
So इतने ज्यादा फैंस हैं इतने क्रेजी फैंस हैं एनी क्रेजी
अरे
फैन स्टोरी
यार क्रेजी फैंस तो क्रेजी
अच्छा
नहीं होते क्रेजी तो मैं नहीं they're not crazy they're super loving yaar and I appreciate each one of them. I really feel so
नहीं
overwhelmed
कुछ
and
ऐसा
so
कभी किसी ने कुछ
blessed.
किया हो जो बिल्कुल दिल को बस टच कर गया लाइक स्वीट
Is
इट्स
made
जस्ट
me crazy.
मेमोरेबल
Yeah,
थिंग
yeah,
एवर
yeah, yeah. A lot of people have done some very sweet. I would say sweet, not even crazy. They're very sweet and so loving, and they just watch me through the screen, and they just watch me on screen, and they love me, and they love us so much. It's insane on the next level. It's so overwhelming that people are loving and people are so caring and people do things for you just by watching you on screen. It makes me feel very 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 overwhelmed. So yeah, people have done a lot of things. Yeah, I've got a lot of love, as received love in form of gifts, and every day there was a gift on my set. जादू के set पे कुछ ना कुछ छोटा छोटा letters or something or the other. So I received Apple Watch last year on Christmas through a fan. So that was huge. I think
ओह
it's very sweet because people are doing things for others. It's very sweet without any expectations or anything. So that was very very
एग्जैक्टली
very sweet.
यू
Yeah,
आर ब्लेस्ड
yeah, yeah. I am blessed. Touch me. Thank
ओके
God
सो
every
अब
minute.
क्योंकि जब से ये जादू जिनका खत्म हुआ है सबका सब फैंस का एक ही क्वेश्चन है कि if
See,
Aditi gets the chance to work with Vikram again will she
of
do
course.
that
Why not? Why not? I would do it for free. Yeah, why not? He's a very sweet human, and I loved working with him. And he's been such a supportive and nice co-star. So I think I would love to work with him again.
और मैं आपके प्रोफाइल देखी थी आप गाना भी गाते हो राइट एंड यू
हाँ,
हैव
कभी
अमेजिंग
कभी.
वॉइस आई मस्ट से सो
No,
कभी
it's
सोचा है
just
कि कभी
ऐसे ही बहुत ही
प्रोफेशनली भी जरा
random.
ट्राई मारना चाहिए जस्ट अ कवर और समथिंग लाइक दैट
So that when I was like, I don't know, I must be in 12th or something, तो मैं मिरर के सामने अपना परफ्यूम का बॉटल लेके full Shakira and J-Lo देख के and Maroon 5 के गाने and Coldplay and everything. So I used to sing them on that perfume का bottle ऐसे लेके full speed के साथ. So I wanted to
रॉक स्टार
perform
फील
on stage in life, yeah. But then I think I don't have the voice for that, so I won't.
नो बट यू हैव एन
No man,
अमेजिंग वॉइस आई सॉ लाइक
but it
एक
is.
या दो वीडियोस मैंने आपके देखे एंड यू हैव क्वाइट अ गुड वॉइस एंड एक लाइव
I'm
पे
more
आई
like a
वाज वाचिंग
bathroom
दैट
singer or something.
you sang that song ये जादू है जिनका the title track
Yeah,
and you were quite
yeah,
good
कहानी हमारी. Thank you,
कहानी
thank
है
you.
और वो बहुत खूबसूरत गाना है आई मस्ट से
Yeah, yeah.
वेरी
One of my
ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग
favorite songs. Last night only I was listening to it. I really love that song. That song has a
एंड यू आर
different kind of
लकी इन ऑफ
vibe.
कोर्स मैंने कि अब वो ट्रेंड चला गया है इंडियन टेलीविजन में कि हर का अपना टाइटल ट्रैक
Song,
है हर
right?
ड्रामे
I
का बहुत
agree.
कम
Yes,
कम
yes,
ड्रामा
yes.
का है और वो भी एक तो कम है ऊपर से इतना अच्छा है
इतना
सो यू
अच्छा
आर
भी नहीं
लकी
है
इनफ
लोगों का usually, but yeah, I was
या
so four lines I must say, whatever they do, they really make it big and amazing. Usually, whatever I know about them, I think they're amazing producers, amazing production house, and जो भी वो करते हैं ना वो कुछ कमाल ही करते हैं out of the box and कुछ बहुत अच्छा. So I think कहानी was a beautiful song, and then हमारे शो का theme, grandeur, everything was so big and so, you know,
सो
it was
व्हिच
amazing.
रोल यू एंजॉयड द मोस्ट मीरा और दिस रोशनी
यार वही बात है, दोनों ही मुझे बहुत मजा आया बिकॉज मीरा वाज माय फर्स्ट। आई वाज रॉ बैक देन, कुछ नहीं पता था, कोई क्लू ही नहीं था दुनिया के बारे में, टीवी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में, कैमरा से रिलेटेड बहुत कम नॉलेज थी। तो मैंने एज मीरा बहुत कुछ सीखा एंड आई रियली एंजॉय डूइंग मीरा, क्योंकि बिल्कुल ही काफी हद तक मेरी जैसी थी, झल्ली पंजाबी कुड़ी, कुछ भी बोलती है। So I think I loved doing Meera. And Roshni ke liye, I really like doing the stunts and it was so different, Simpson Samara and all that. So it was